Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of converting any web page, or even an entire website, into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat's desktop application. If you've ever needed to preserve an online article, save reference material, or share an interactive site in a fixed, portable format, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll be able to create high-quality PDFs of web content, customize exactly what gets captured, and manage all your settings for the best results. Let's get started. First things first. Open up Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll need the desktop app for this, not just the browser extension or online version, since we're taking full advantage of all Acrobat's powerful options. Give it a moment to launch. And if you're using the latest version, you'll notice the interface is very clean and straightforward. Once Acrobat's open, look towards the top or side menu where you'll find the Create option. We'll be using the Create PDF tool for this job. If you don't see it immediately, go to the Tools view and search for Create PDF. Then, select Web Page. What this does is it tells Acrobat you want to make a PDF from a live website, not just a local document. Now, there's a field asking for a web address, the URL. Take care here to paste in the full address, starting with http/ or https. Acrobat needs the complete path to fetch the correct page. You can type it in manually, but I recommend copying it directly from your browser for accuracy, especially if it's a long or complex link. Here's where things get interesting. Before you hit Create, you have some powerful options for how much of the website you want to save. For simple pages, like a single news article, you can just capture the main page. But let's say you're trying to archive a research paper with related links, or a table of contents with multiple subpages. Click on Capture Multiple Levels. This feature lets you tell Acrobat to follow the links in the page and include those linked pages right in your PDF. For example, setting 2 levels would include both the starting page and anything it links to directly. But a word of caution here, the more levels you add, the bigger your PDF and the heavier the load on your computer. Large websites can quickly balloon and gobble up space. So if you're only interested in a handful of pages, stick to 1 or 2 levels max. If you want to really customize your output, take a look at the advanced settings. You'll see a gear icon. Clicking this brings up options to adjust how your PDF will look and behave. You can pick the page size. Maybe you want standard letter or something wider for charts. Change orientation, tweak margins for cleaner printing, and even add headers or footers, useful if you want the site's title or your own notes to appear on each page. Don't overlook bookmarks. They make navigating your PDF much easier, especially if you've captured several pages at once. Ready to convert? Go ahead and click the Create button. Acrobat will start pulling the web content and turning it into a PDF. Depending on the size of the site and your number of levels, this process might take a few seconds or a bit longer. Don't worry if it seems to hang on a big site. It's working through all the links and graphics. Once it's finished, your new PDF will pop open in Acrobat automatically. Here's a great moment to flip through and make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're happy with the results, just go to File, Save. Choose a location you'll remember, maybe a folder dedicated to web archives, and give your file a clear name. And there you have it, a complete, customized PDF of your favorite web content, thanks to Adobe Acrobat's advanced conversion features. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides just like this. Thanks for watching.